Hey, what's going on, guys? This is John with Average John Fishing. Today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. We're going to be going down to the river. And I haven't been there since last year. We have been having some spring rain, so the water is elevated. So I'm really not sure how the day is going to go, but I'm really excited, and I think we're going to be successful. So let's get out there, and I'll see you on the water.
Access to this spot is a little tricky. Not tricky, I guess. It's to get down here, you got to cut through some things. I actually first found this trail while walking my dog. Now, you can probably see the river from here. So yeah, this is part of the Patuxent River, I believe. One of the branches of it. This whole area is really shallow. There might be a couple of fish hanging out. You know, like there's some slack water right there where you I don't know if you can see it or not, but you might be able to see the bottom. There might be a smallmouth hanging there. But for most part, this whole area here is a little tough. I've tried fishing it with very, very limited success. The area that I want to get to is the dam. And like I had said, we've been having a lot of rain lately. So this might be hard to fish. Alright, let's see if we can get down here. This is really, really high. I might not even be able to. Alright, so a little footstool fell. Alright, so we've got this area here. Might be able to fish from this bank part, and I might be able to sneak along the wall there try to get up and around. But my little spot, which is that rock that's sitting right there, that's almost underwater. So this is incredibly high. Let's try to get down. Alright, so I guess I'm going to start with the Sonic Spin Minnow. There's these logs that are kind of floating around here. Might be a little difficult. This current is really, really strong. So I might have a really hard time trying to use this. This is such a light, God. You gotta be kidding me. I think I'm going to have to switch over. Alright, let's try the jig head. Hope it has enough weight. There we go. Fish. Fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this freaking trout. You gotta be kidding me. First cast with the jig head. Holy shit. Stop moving. Holy cow. Look at that brook trout. Holy cow. Look at that brook trout. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. He's got teeth. I was not expecting this to be my first catch today. Give me that. Wow, what a beautiful fish. What a beautiful fish. Really dark. Oops. Really dark. Look at that. He's probably about 12 inches. Maybe 13. Let's get a weight on him. I gotta get him back in the water quick. 10 ounces. Alright, let's Here he goes. Here he goes. Little. Be fine. There we go. There you go. Wow, I thought that was a smallmouth at first. Because how big he was. Holy cow. What a beautiful fish. Alright. So, first catch, the brook trout, and a decent one too. I've caught 2 brook trout here before, and they were both much smaller than that. Do not do this unless you know what you're doing, or you're... Yes, do not do this unless you know what you're doing or you're confident in your abilities. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to get. I don't know how I'm going to get to that rock. So how high this water is. Now, typically, all of this is above ground, above water. And I could just kind of grow right along there to that rock. No problem. But this water is so high. And these are all pricker bushes here. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to my spot today. Okay. Alright, we've made it. Made it back over here. Okay, so we're getting closer to the other part of the river that's fishable, and Unfortunately, being in New England, there's a lot of this old industrial crap, and really affects the quality of the water and the life in these rivers. Alright, so this is a really tight spot, but it's really slowing down over here. There's a good chance there might be a smallmouth bass or two just chilling. And of course, my line is all fuckered up again. Good job, John. Oh, so good. Oh, there we go, right in front of me. Right in front of me, look at that. Little smallmouth bass. Ha! So I get it stuck in the tree, and I still catch a fish. How about that? Must be my lucky day. There we go. There's a nice little smallmouth bass. And this guy, just like a lot of the smallmouth bass in this river, have these black spots on their tails and their fins. That's a parasite. And it's spread through snails to the fish, to birds who eat the fish, and then they poop back into the water, and then the fish, or the snails eat the poop, I guess, and then they get it back, and then the fish eat the snails, and so on and so forth. So that's where those black spots are coming from. Let's get this guy back in the water. Ooh, bye. So we got two species on the books. That awesome brook trout, and then nice smallmouth bass for this river, at least. You know, you can't expect monsters out of here. You've got a river that's got really poor oxygen quality. The forage in here is not great either. I'm sure there's cannibalism going on with the smallmouth. I don't see many frogs. I don't see many crayfish. Did see some sort of amphibian once that was dead. It was big too. Again. There we go. Thought I had something. Stick or something like that. Okay. I love these little things. Alright, let's give this a shot. Yeah, in like a month or two, this will be a hell of a lot better. June. Definitely in June. Oh, holy cow! Look at that tiny thing! Oh, look at that funny thing. Oh my god, that is the smallest pickerel I've ever seen. Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh my god. That is funny. That is funny. Oh my god. Well, that's a surprising catch. I was just kind of reeling it in. Wasn't really thinking that there'd be anything over there. Oh my god. Let's let this little bugger go. There he goes. He's like, what the fuck just happened? Wow. Chain pickerel in the river. The little guy. I mean, he must only be a year old at most. Alright, so I think that's going to do it. Unfortunately, we did not get that big fish today, but we did catch that brook trout, and we caught that tiny pickerel, which was crazy, and a nice smallmouth bass. All in all, not the best day. I really wish today would have been a lot better, but the river is still flooded. The fish are still trying to figure out this warmer weather, so they're just not really in gear yet. That brook trout was my PB, so new PB today, which is awesome. But that's going to be it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next fishing adventure, and don't forget, it's okay to be average. Thanks for watching. This has been John with Average John Fishing.